Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing really well. Yes, we are back, and we are back with another sneaker video. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Better with Time. Now I got very lucky. I managed to secure a online raffle win to collect in store. Headed down there this morning. They did sell out instantly online. A couple of retailers launched them at midnight. On the sneakers app this morning, instant sellout. Loads of people were after these. Now from what I've heard, the stock on these seems to be lower than the Air Jordan 4. I don't know how true that is. I know the hype behind these are still there because it is a Nigel Sylvester drop, but I don't think they're as hyped as the Air Jordan 4. But anyway, I was very lucky to grab these. I've actually got these in hand, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to actually getting these on feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a very quick look. I'll give my initial thoughts on there, and yeah, let me know your opinions in the comments. So without further ado guys, let's jump straight into the sneaker itself. If we have a look at the box, we do have the bike, which has replaced the Nike. I do quite like this. I think it changes things up. We know what Nigel Sylvester is doing with his collabs with Nike. I'm really excited about these. On the sides, we still have the Nike. You can see across there, and we've also got the bike there as well. So I did go true to size on this, so I've got my normal size. Let's open these up. A little nice touch that we have across here is we do have that bike that's drawn by Nigel, and then we have the sneaker itself. Let's get the pairs out of the box. Now you do get 2 additional laces with these. Okay, we do have the black and we have got the red that comes with it as well. Now I personally think the sail that we have in the sneakers itself is the ideal color that we need. Unless you're going for more muted, then the black will go well. The red will give it a bit of a pop, but it's not for me. I would go for either the sail or the black, but yeah, I prefer the sail, so that's what I'm going to put in mine, and it's easy that it's already there. If we have a look at the sneaker itself, now one thing I'm really interested about, and I've not seen any other pairs myself, is the distress look that they have. I'm curious to see if that is standard for every single pair, or are they slightly different from pair to pair. I'm sure we'll end up finding out the more people get these sneakers in hand. I am really impressed with the leather. It's really nice and soft. You know, the quality on this pair is definitely there. We do have the mini swoosh. I am a fan of that. I think that looks really good on this pair. On the inside, if we have a look, we have the Jordan Biking Co. established in 2017. And what we have got here is slightly different with the swoosh. And if we have a look at the tongue itself, we do have that Bike Air across there. So on the outers, it's just a sort of drawn Nike swoosh, and on the inside, we've actually got the tick across there, and that's the same on both pairs. And if we have a look at the sole, we can see, so on one of the insoles we do have the Bike Air, and on the other insole we've got the Nigel Sylvester. Right, well there you have it guys. This was a very quick look, a little unboxing with the new Air Jordan 1 Nigel Sylvester Better with Time. This is a pair that I was really excited about, and I'm really glad I have these in hand. I'm really excited to get these on feet. If you do want to see how I'm going to style these, then follow me on my Instagram, AJ1 Instagram is probably where I am the most active, so if you want to see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, just drop me a follow and you'll be able to see exactly what I get up to. If you do like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It really does help grow this channel. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're a fan of these, you think they're hype. I know everyone's going to be scrambling to get their hands on these. The resale prices are still a little bit high, but I know they've only just released, so they have dipped a little bit. I'm sure as they come through next week, you will see prices drop a little bit more once everyone gets their pairs in hand. I will put the link in the description to StockX, so if you do want to purchase a pair, then click the link in the description and it will take you there, and you're able to purchase your pair. If you are a fan of these kind of videos guys, and you do want to be the first to be notified, then hit that subscribe button, and as soon as I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. But until next time, peace.